For seasoned drivers, evaluating and determining the causes of a vibrating car is simple. For newbies, it will be difficult, especially if they encounter automobile trembling at high speeds. Reasons why a car shakes while driving. 1. Faulty brakes. Since the front brakes of your automobile experience the most stress when you apply the brakes, if vibration happens when doing so, the issue is probably with the front brake mechanism. The pads and rotors are two components on the front disc brakes that require periodic replacement. The cylindrical metal disc that is attached to the wheel is called a rotor. Due to extensive use and abuse, it may get distorted over time. 2. Wheel and tire problems. Wheel or tire issues are the most common reason for vibration, such as uneven tire wear, split tire tread, out of round tires, and even loose lug nuts are examples of potential issues. 3. Engine and transmission problems. A few components in an automobile's engine have the potential to shake the car if they break down. These include the engine air filter and spark plugs. Examine the connections and spark plugs. The engine may be deprived of the oxygen and/or fuel it needs to function efficiently if the engine air filter is unclean or clogged. A damaged radiator fan or even an engine or transmission mount could be to blame. The fan may be the culprit if your vibration is irregular and only occurs after the engine is warmed up, although this is highly unlikely. 4. Axle problems. The majority of vehicles have two axles, one connecting the front wheels and the other to the back wheels. Vibration can arise if either axle is twisted or dented, which can happen in an accident or other mishap with the road. 5. Worn suspension parts and joints. Your steering wheel may tremble due to looseness in the suspension or steering system components. Your car can't be correctly aligned if its tie rod ends or ball joints are too worn. 6. Worn spark plug. Your engine's piston firing order will be altered if your spark plugs are past their prime. With each firing cycle, the engine may tremble as a result of this new firing order's potential for misfires. The fix should be an easy spark plug replacement. Check your fuel and air filters if necessary. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.